Hey everyone, it's Jay with Trader X, and I want to go over my day trading recap for today. So today I only ended up taking one position on ticker symbol SQQQ, and I'm going to walk you through that right now. So before I do that, I want you guys to know that the NASDAQ/NQ acts in direct opposite of the ticker symbol SQQQ, meaning that every time the NASDAQ pushes up, you'll see that if I go to ticker symbol SQQQ, in the morning it pushed in the direct opposite of it, pushed down. And as SQ started pushing up and up, as the day went on, you'll see that the NASDAQ did the exact opposite and started pushing down. So today, my first entry was around the price point 41.96. So I waited for the stock to push up, approach overbought levels, because it neared this top resistance level. I waited for it to pull back and I took my first position right around this blue EMA line. Now it's important to note I only bought in with half of the position size I plan to be in with. In case it continued to sell off, I could cut it and stop out and only lose half as much as I would have if I bought in with my full position. So after I bought in here, it ended up catching the support, going, and right when it broke this resistance level right here, I averaged up with the other half at around 42.38, as you can see here. The stock ended up pushing and it approached the top VWAP, a resistance level. And what I did wrong today was I should have been more aware of that and cut the stock right there. Because if you look at the stock /NQ, you can see that if you look at on the bigger time frame, you can see that it was approaching this support level here, meaning there is a good chance they could try and bounce here as it did before multiple times. So I did not lock in profits at the top VWAP, and it ended up flushing all the way down and stopped me out for a loss of $54. So what I could have done better is been paying more attention to that support level on NQ, and it would have been smart to lock it in at this resistance level here, because it ended up pushing back down and then ended up going later, as you can see here. The stock /NQ ended up pushing down, and right around here was where I had to cut it, and ended up finding a support and trying to curl around. So what I can do better is acknowledge the resistance levels and make sure to sell out when it's a smart price. I only took a loss of $53 today, so I did a good job managing my risk. And in terms of the momentum stocks, there was a lot of exciting stocks that were tradable today in terms of volatility. One example is the stock GRNA. This stock in the morning ended up pushing around 80%. So if you were to have gotten around the lows of the day, you could have made a nice profit, around half your money at least. Same with the momentum stock GLS. Both of these were top gappers, and this type of volatility is what we've been waiting for when we want to trade these momentum stocks. This is when you can tell that a lot of people are trading it, because you just see these big green candles and the stock ends up getting halted, which means if a lot of people buy it and it ends up pushing up too fast, it'll get halted up, it'll get frozen for around 5 minutes, and it tends to shoot up afterwards with a lot of people buying in again. So there was definitely volatility today. I definitely missed out on some momentum stocks, and today I should have worked to lock in my profits at a smarter area, because I didn't. I missed the opportunity and ended up flushing down, and I had to cut it because it very easily could have continued to sell off. Ended up coming back up, but that's just unfortunate timing on my part. So as I just went over, I only took one trade today, and it was on ticker symbol SQQQ, and I ended up cutting it by 6:55 in the morning, and I did not take another position on the day. This has been another day trading recap, and thank you all for watching.